Agent 1 Benedict Bustillos will also receive a Medal of Merit for graduating salutatorian.
Agent 1, Jade P. Cañete, Gumanhog, Cebu.
Isang saludo lang.
Agent 1, Jade Cañete will also receive Medal of Merit for graduating first rank cadet.
Maraming saludo.
Agent 1 Odelo V. Malonga, Las Piñas City. Agent 1 Odelo Malonga will also receive a Medal of Merit for graduating second rank cadet.
After this.
Picture, harap.
Agent 1, Jojo R. Utram, Bacolod City.
Next.
Agent 1, Alan V. Amor, Alimudian, Iloilo.
Agent 1 Van Rolf D. Bagin, Villanueva, Misamis Oriental.
Video daw, video. Kaya pala umiilaw pag ganun.
Oo, lumiwanag lang.
Agent 1, John Rich M. Bunyig, Victoria City, Negros Occidental.
Agent 1 Marivin D. Datul,
Asan man?
Bacoor, Cavite.
Agent 1, X. L. Devilos, Tagkawyang, Quezon.
Agent 1 J. O. Manangan, Gimbal, Iloilo.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Agent 1, Harvey L. Ralion, Davao City.
Nasaan yung mga ano nyo? Okay lang yan. Ibigay mo lang. Ibigay na lang pakalang.
And last but not the least, Agent 1 Edgardo G. Corona from Atipuanan, Quezon, Philippines.
Nga, oy.
Siya naman yata yun eh. Siya talaga yan. Kayo yan? Hindi, marami naman po.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have presented to you the graduates of the SMPII 28th Anniversary Batch 2025 graduates.
Tatawagin pa kayo.
Thank you very much, man. May we call on the graduates for the oath-taking ceremonies of their batch.
Lahat ng graduates.
Lahat ng graduates. Akyat. Akyat, akyat.
Please come to the stage.
Yan o. Para mga...
Tapos kayo konti.
Para mga kontraktor.
Sisil pakitan.
Ha?
Tapos konti.
Graduates, raise your hands, right hands.
Atras konti, atras.
SMPII Pledge of Loyalty. Susunod ko sila sa akin. We members, knowledge and abilities, which I have acquired for the betterment of myself, for the welfare of my family, and service of my country. So help me God.